What is the application process for homestead property tax exemptions? Are you curious about how to apply for a homestead property tax exemption? You're in the right place. Let's break down the steps you need to follow to make this process as smooth as possible. First, you need to determine if you meet the eligibility requirements. Generally, the property must be your main home, and you should have ownership of it. Some states may requiring you not to claim a homestead exemption on any other property. It's best to check with your local tax authority to see what specific rules apply in your area. Next, gather the necessary documentation. You will typically need a government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license, your social security number, proof of ownership, and evidence that the property is your primary residence. In some cases, additional documents like utility bills or voter registration may be requested. Now, it's time to obtain and complete the application form. This form is usually available from your local tax assessor's or property appraiser's office. You can find it online, request it by mail, or pick it up in person. The form might be titled Application for Residential Homestead Exemption. Make sure to fill it out carefully and provide all the requested information accurately. Once you have completed the application, submit it along with all required documents to the appropriate local government office. You can often do this online, by mail, or in person. Some areas may even allow submissions via phone or email, but this can vary. After you submit your application, you will need to wait for confirmation. The tax office will review your application. If they approve it, the exemption will be applied to your property tax bill. This means a reduction in the taxable value of your home, which can lower your property taxes. Keep in mind that in many places, you only need to apply once unless the tax authority requests a renewal or you move to a new residence. If you do move or no longer qualify, be sure to notify the tax office in writing before the next tax year deadline to avoid any penalties. It's also worth noting that the exemption amount can vary by jurisdiction and may significantly reduce your taxable home value. If you make improvements that increase your home's value, your property taxes might still rise despite having the exemption. If you believe your property is overvalued compared to similar homes, you can contact the assessor or file a tax appeal. Additionally, some localities offer extra exemptions or tax relief programs for seniors, disabled individuals, veterans, or farmers, which may require separate applications. This process is designed to help qualifying homeowners receive a reduction in property taxes based on their primary residence, providing financial relief and encouraging homeownership. Always check with your local tax assessor or property appraiser's office for the exact application procedures and deadlines in your area.